Kazipet green non-veg curry. How to make? Let's see. The ingredients used for green non-veg are chicken, mint leaves, coriander leaves, curd, lemon, green chili, bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, jeera, cinnamon, red chili powder, salt, turmeric and ginger garlic paste. First have to grind the mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chili, and curd, all together grind in a mixie jar. After grind, place it aside. Before going to start recipe, who are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel to watch new videos. Now take a pan, pour oil in it. Oil get little bit hot, then add bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and jeera. Now add sliced onions. Add turmeric. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Add chicken. Add coriander 1 spoon. Add pepper 1 spoon. Add red chili ½ spoon. Add salt as per your taste. Mix it well, and cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now add green paste and mix it well. Add lemon juice, and cook it for 15 minutes, then Kazipet green non-veg curry is ready. Now Kazipet green non-veg curry is ready to serve. You slow try it at home. And comment how it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to watch new videos.